How to make a Spotify account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bima from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a Spotify account. Now remember that I will show you the process on how you can actually make a free account, and after that you can go ahead and upgrade it if you want the premium version. So in order to create a Spotify account, in this case I'll just open my browser. Whether you're on Android or whether you're on iPhone, I'd recommend you to open up your browser, because on the app you have very limited features. Let's say later on you won't be able to add payment info. Once you open your browser, just go to spotify.com. I will make sure to leave a direct link down in the description box. You can go ahead and then click on that link. Once you've done so, you will see this kind of interface. Now we will go to the login page by tapping on the three bars on the top right corner, and you'll find the option that says login or sign up. So just go ahead and then tap on the sign up button. As you tap on the sign up button, it will take us to a page where we can create a new Spotify account. Now you can either sign in with your Facebook ID if you have, or you can also sign up with Google, because it won't require you to enter anything. As long as you have the Google account with you, you can also log into your Spotify account. But if not, then you can also go ahead and then enter these details manually. So you can see email, confirm email, password, confirm password, and enter your profile name, enter your date of birth, enter your gender, and so on. So let me go ahead and fill up all these details basically first. So as you can see, in my case, I have basically filled in all the details. I have entered my password, I have entered the email address that I want to use, I have entered my name, my date of birth, my gender, and you have to tap on I'm not a robot and then click on the sign up button. Now once you tap on the sign up button, also make sure to agree to all the terms and conditions over here. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, just tap on the sign up button. As you tap on the sign up button, now you will have successfully created your Spotify account. So the process to create our free account has been completed. If you want to upgrade to the premium version, then you could go to the Get App section, or let's say that you can just go to the gear icon and just try to upgrade to premium by tapping on premium, entering your card details, and while go premium, all of the options, just tap on the Get Started button as well in order to upgrade for premium. But keep in mind that you can actually just use the Spotify free version as long as you're happy with it. Hopefully this video answered the question as to how you can make a Spotify account. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.